All right, I said I was gonna take you with me. Here's a little bit of my stuff. I got a backpack in the trunk. I got all my other goodies here. It's pretty hot where I'm coming through. I go up towards like Reading. It's pretty warm out here, so I got all my stuff kind of covered and hidden in here. But I'm running into, if you can see it, a Michael's so that I can get a watercolor pad. I put I forgot to bring my watercolors, and it's something that I like to do. They actually have a whole art area, but it's mostly like different kinds of paints and painting on rocks and all that kind of stuff. And I have a watercolor moleskin, but I'm like, I don't have it with me. So I forgot it. I'm gonna go get it, and I'm gonna take you with me. All right, you're really seeing the behind the scenes right now, but I don't like to leave my computer in the car. I learned that the hard way. So off we go to Michael's. I'm gonna get myself a pad and then get back on the road. Where am I going? Here's frames, so maybe I'm gonna see it down here. Let's see. I have a feeling it's right around here. What do you think? Yes, this will be it. I will find it. Yay! All right, here's where I landed. That's my watercolor book, and I'm off. All right. This is where God lives. Here we go.